Smooth Virus says, hey, nice to catch you online. I purchased the resume course yesterday. Brilliant stuff so far. Well, thank you so much. And by the way, look in the description below. There's the little description below to contact me directly if you want me to check out your resume. And we can talk about getting you in this field. I mean, hopefully you're already in this field, and it's just a matter of like locking you down on, and using all the tricks that you need to get in there. Let's see. It says, I have been in network consulting, system admin, tier 2. Wow, okay. Support for 25 years. I got my Security Plus last year, and I got my CSSP a month ago. Looking to change tracks to information security. Oh man, information security, Smooth Virus is what I do, and it has been. Let me put it to you this way: I have not been out without a job. I mean, if you look at all the stuff that's happening in the news, I mean, it's very obvious. Like if you're cybersecurity is so hot right now, and it's because humanity is using data. We rely so heavily on data, on information, and it's so important to. It's getting more and more important to secure it, and so many organizations don't have the skills. They don't have the people. They don't have people like yourself who has a background in networking and system admin, and then transitions into cybersecurity. So you actually will know what to look for, And now that you have that CISSP, man, it's going to blast doors open for you. I'm telling you, my life has not been the same since I got that CISSP. Now, you need to put it on your resume correctly. Like there's certain things, little things that I do on my resume that have made it so I've been able to I've been able to exploit the system as much as possible, and to my advantage. I've not been out without a job, a good paying job. The only thing that I would say that it takes me a little bit longer to get a job sometimes is that I'm just picky, right? Sometimes I'm like, nah, I don't want to work at this place. I don't want, they're not paying me enough, right? I want to, and then I'll get an offer from somewhere else, and I'm like, okay, that's better. So yeah, it's somebody said years and years ago when I first started my very first steps in this career path around the year 2000. Was it year 2000, year 2001, something like that. And they told me, they said, and I found this to be true. They said, with a CISSP, if you're willing to go anywhere, you can make a lot of money. Or if you're willing to go any place, you can either stay where you're at and just make average money, or you can go if you're willing to travel, or if you're willing to move to another location, sky's the limit. That's what they said to me. And I've found that to be true. Whenever I move, like one time I went overseas as a contractor for like 2 years, and I made crazy money, and up to $98,000 of it was tax-free at the time. So yeah, I mean, if you're willing to go overseas, yeah. I mean, there's so many good jobs. I don't recommend that. Like, it was really hard on my family, so I do not recommend doing that. Let me see. Smooth Virus says, I got laid off in February and hit the books for hours a day and wrapped up that CISSP. Still sitting at home, but I'm hitting the job boards hard now. Oh, man. Send me your resume, man. Just look in the description below. I've got my Discord channel there. If you have any problems with it, do a comment. Hit that like button and then give me a comment, and then I'll get back with you. Another thing is Discord. Hit me up on there, and then I'll get your resume, and I'll put some of the tricks that I use in my resume. It's not lies, man. It's not deceitful. It's just there's certain things in the algorithm of LinkedIn and in Dice and in all the other sites that I've noticed, so I can help you with the wording on it, is what I'm saying. Okay.